What's up, you guys? I'm charging my phone, hence why it's plugged in. I'm headed to the gym for my second workout of the day. I did cardio this morning, so I think I'm gonna focus on some weights and weighted machines. Don't mind my washer in the background if it's making noise here. But yeah, I've just done some homework. I have a very busy day tomorrow. I'm working a bit. I have homework. I'm filming a mock interview for my program. I am then gonna see a friend in the evening, so it's just busy, but good. So I realized I didn't include a clip in this video, and I'm editing the video and I'm like, there's no explanation to the clips. So I, over the winter break, went over to visit one of my friends for a weekend, and we went on a hike and got lunch, and it was super fun. So that's in this vlog. I also got a Christmas present from one of my friends, which is awesome. This toque and adorable scarf. I had a lunch date with another friend. I've been going to the gym quite a bit, trying to go daily and schedule in my scheduled routine. So I'm trying to go 3 days a week, because normally when I'm working, there's been days where I just am tired and I give myself a day off, but I'm also trying to be more scheduled and accountable with that. So I am setting a schedule for that and eating healthier. So I'll kind of maybe show you this week what I eat, because that would be interesting to see. I am gonna make my pre-workout here. I normally don't have pre-workout, but it's almost 6 p.m. and I am a little tired and I have a workout ahead of me, so I think I need it. I'll show you what else we do this week. It's the last week of winter break and then I'm back to work, but I've just been figuring out more things with my program, school, work, everything, and yeah, we'll show you that.